Class 4, Social Studies, Term 1, Lesson number 2, Our Government. Learning Objective. In this lesson, you will learn about Union or Central Government, State Government. Warm up. See the pictures and write their names. Parliament, High Court of Telangana, President of India, Supreme Court. Introduction. Every country needs a strategy to look after the welfare of the people within the country. This is known as the government. It also maintains amicable relationship with neighboring countries and ensures welfare and progress of the society. India is a big country. There are 29 states and 7 union territories, including the National Capital Territory of Delhi. There is a union government at the national level. It looks after the whole country. There is a separate government in each state or union territory. Thus, we have government at two levels, union and state. India is a vast country. A single government cannot govern a big country like India properly from one place. So, the powers have been distributed between the center and the states to prevent conflicts. The Constitution of India has already decided about the field of activities at each level of government. The Union government deals with security of India, relation with other countries, and finance. The state government deals with protection of life and property, agriculture, education, and other matters. The state government can always seek the help of union government during any crisis. Union and central government. The union government does three main things. They are to make laws, to implement laws, and to provide justice. The Parliament or Sansad makes laws for the whole country. The Indian Parliament has three wings: the Lok Sabha, the Rajya Sabha, the President of India. Lok Sabha or lower house. The Lok Sabha is the primary source of political power in the country. The people of India who are more than 18 years of age can elect the members of Lok Sabha. The candidate who gets maximum number of votes is declared as the member of Lok Sabha. The member of the Lok Sabha are elected for a period of 5 years. Rajya Sabha or upper house. the Rajya Sabha is the permanent house and has less members. They are elected by the members of the state legislative assemblies for a period of 6 years. Some members of Rajya Sabha are also nominated by the President of India. The President. The President of India is elected by the members of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and the state legislative assemblies for a term of 5 years. He is the head of the whole country. Many political parties take part in the elections of Lok Sabha. The winning candidates of each party elect their leader. The leader of the majority party is invited by the President to work as the Prime Minister of India. Other ministers are appointed on the advice of the Prime Minister. The Prime Ministers and other ministers form the Union Council of Ministers. They run the Union government and are responsible for the smooth functioning of the Parliament. The Supreme Court is the highest court of justice in India. It is situated in New Delhi. The President appoints the Chief Justice in India and other judges of the Supreme Court. The decision of the Supreme Court cannot be challenged by any other court. State government. Every state in India has a separate government. It looks after the welfare of the people within the state only. Some areas like education, health, agriculture, irrigation, law, and order are fully under the control of state government. The people living in the state elect the members of the state legislative assembly for a term of 5 years. Some states have legislative council also. They are like Rajya Sabha. The governor is the head of the government in a state. He is appointed by the President of India. He is link between the state and the union government. The state also has a council of ministers appointed by the governor. The state has courts at many levels like lower court, district court, and a high court. High court is the highest court of justice at the state level. The judges are appointed by the President of India. The Supreme Court can revive the decision of the High Court. A large number of employees at various levels work in different departments of the state and union governments. District courts are at the district level. Mind map. Union government, President, Vice President, Prime Minister, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. State government, Governor and Chief Minister, Legislative Assembly, Member of Legislative Assembly, Member of Legislative Council. Find the missing letters. The missing letters in the word government are O, N, and N. The missing letters in the word central are E and R. The missing letters in the word constitution are O, I, U, and I. The missing letters in the word assembly are S, M, and Y. The missing letters in the word parliament are P, L, E, and T. Write the full forms. The full form of LS is Lok Sabha. The full form of RS is Rajya Sabha. The full form of MLC is Member of Legislative Council. The full form of MLA is Member of Legislative Assembly. The full form of DC is District Court. Tick the correct option. India is a dash country. Big, small, very small, none of these. The correct option is big. There are dash states in India. 28, 29, 30, none of these. The correct option is 29. the member of the Lok Sabha is elected for dash years. 3, 4, 5, none of these. The correct option is 5. The dash is the highest court in India. Allahabad Court, Supreme Court, both A and B, none of these. The correct option is Supreme Court. Any person of dash of age can vote in the election. 16 years, 18 years, 20 years, none of these. The correct option is 18 years. Fill in the blanks. The members of Lok Sabha are elected for a period of 5 years. The parliament or Sansad makes laws for the whole country. The Rajya Sabha is the permanent house and has less members. Many political parties take part in the elections of Lok Sabha. Every state in India has a separate government. Give one-word answer. Rashtrapati Bhavan is in New Delhi. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. The head of the country is President. The term for Lok Sabha members is 5 years. The term for members in Rajya Sabha is 6 years. Write T for true and F for false. Ministers protect our boundaries and maintains law and order. False. There are 28 states and 7 union territories, including the National Capital Territory of Delhi. False. Anyone who is more than 25 years of age can contest the elections. True. The Lok Sabha is the permanent house and has less members. False. The president is the head of the whole country. True. Short answer questions. How many states and union territories are there in India? There are 29 states and 7 union territories in India. Name the different wings of the Indian Parliament. The Lok Sabha, the Rajya Sabha, the President of India. Which is the highest court in the country? Supreme Court is the highest court in the country. Governor of the state is appointed by whom? The governor of the state is appointed by the President of India. Long answer questions. Who can become the Prime Minister of India? The members of the majority party in the Lok Sabha elect their leader, who is then appointed by the President as the Prime Minister of India. How is the President of India elected? The President of India is elected by the elected members of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and the state legislative assemblies for a term of 5 years. Who has the right to vote in our country? Any citizen of India who attains the age of 18 years has the right to vote in our country. What is the role of governor in the state? The governor is the head of the government of a state. All the bills passed by the Legislative Assembly are signed by him before they become an act. He is a link between the state and the union government. He takes over the powers of the state government when the state is put under the president's rule. What is a constitution? A constitution is a set of basic principles and laws of a nation which determine the duties and powers of the government. It guarantees certain fundamental rights to the people of the country. Life skills. Arrange the jumbled letters to form a word. The word formed by the jumbled letters is president. The word formed by the jumbled letters is government. The word formed by the jumbled letters is country. The word formed by the jumbled letters is union. The word formed by the jumbled letters is constitution. Kindly help our effort by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Please press the bell icon to get more of such videos. Thank you.